What's up everybody, Brian Tong here, and next to me, yes, you see the PS5 with the Midnight Black cover, we've seen that before, but over here on your right, you've got a whole new batch of PS5 accessories in Midnight Black. Now, Sony made this announcement at CES earlier this year, an entire fleet of new Midnight Black accessories. These are available to pre-order today, and then you can actually get them on the 20th. So what we're gonna do is, yes, we're gonna do an unboxing, we're gonna check them out and just see what everything, all black, everything looks like in this combination of things. So let's start off here with, should we go with the DualSense Edge controller? This is their high-end controller here. And let me grab our trusty little box cutter. So we're gonna start and open it from here. You can obviously, you know what, let me show you this. Here's the packaging. You see the Edge controller on top, all the different angles, right? You can see all the different components because you can replace things like the thumbsticks, and you can replace the actual, if they, you know, have any drift over time, you can also replace that as well. But let's pop this open the right way. All right, here we go. And I'm gonna pop this box open and whoa! Nicely covered here in a special carrying case. So we're gonna take this soft wrap and ooh, so the original case was kind of the white material, but this is all black and shiny to match the Midnight Black. That's actually cool and different. I didn't expect that. And I'm just gonna unzip this to reveal the controller for you all. And we open it up. Ooh, it's all black inside. Let me put this down. And then here you go. This looks really nice. Now what's cool about this is that you have the controller Midnight Black, but the difference between some of the shiny accents of black on here, all black everything looks super killer. You'll have obviously the triggers. These are the thumbsticks that you can change out. You see that here. Wow. And there's also a USB-C cable for charging to connect it. And then it even has this little accessory. This is kind of a lock on there. So if you're connected, it'll either stay connected or you can pull it. And then you even have these little, you know, they look like these little flippers here, but those are actually, you can connect them on the back and customize, right, 2 additional functions on the back by just hitting them back here. So there you go. This is a first look at the PS5 DualSense Edge controller, their higher-end controller. $199.99 for this, but first look at it in all Midnight Black. Very cool. Okay, so let's move this guy over here, right? We've got a little family. You know what? Let's open up the PlayStation Portal, shall we? Yes, we shall. So find the ends of the box. You can tell I'm not the most pro unboxer here. People have commented that on my videos as well, okay? And so remember, the PlayStation Portal allows you to stream games from your PS5 in your own home. It also allows you to, now there's, in the beta format, the ability to stream games through an internet connection as well, which has really kind of unlocked more capabilities and gives us an idea of what to expect in the future. I'm gonna take that inner box off. Again, we have the wrap here, and I'm just gonna pull this out to reveal, okay? Here you go. PlayStation Portal, and I'm gonna peel off. Should we do this? Can you hear this? Let's see what you can hear this, okay? Oh, very nice. So you've got its big display, all Midnight Black. Even what's cool is the details. If you look here, the buttons, right there, it's using kind of almost a monochromatic, completely dark, and then just like a slight hint of gray for the buttons itself. Looks nice, feels great. PlayStation Portal, guess what? Also $199. All right, beautiful. I'm gonna put this over here as well. Next up, we have, you know, we have some of the physical accessories. Let's talk about audio here, right? We have the PlayStation Pulse Explorers. These are the wireless earbuds. What's cool about these two things is they have PlayStation Link, which is a direct connection and low latency for better audio, but these are both wireless headsets. The Pulse Elites work with both the PlayStation 5 and also the PlayStation Portal, so. All right, shall we take out the box here, just so you can get a look at it up top. That's what it looks like. And let's reveal, shall we? All right, really compact and smooth. I've actually never unboxed the Pulse Elites before, so this comes in like this fabric casing over here, all right? And then you have the lanyard directly connected to it. I'm just gonna open this up here, all right? And here, I believe I slide this, and you'll see here the Pulse Elite earbuds I'm gonna move this box out of the way real quick, guys and gals. And then there you have it, just like that. Pulse Elite's lightweight, made for PS5. You can also connect this to PCs as well, but really smooth. I'm gonna pop these guys back in here, okay? 1, get in there. 2, okay, there we go. I think, should we just leave this here to display that? Yeah, let's do that as well. Hey, this is just what happens sometimes. Okay, we're cool. All right, let's check out this finally. Last but not least, right? We've got our Pulse Elite wireless headset, right? Over the ear cans to really allow you to lose yourself in the world. I'm gonna take this, show you the box here, all right? Again, Midnight Black accessories for all these. I believe these have roughly 30 hours of battery life as well. I'm gonna take this out here, okay? Ooh, look at that. Look at how nice and sexy that case is, right? Again, that kind of feltish material finish. You got a handle on top here. All right, I'm gonna open this one up. Oh, yes. Here we go. Take a look at them. All right, again, PlayStation Link. The ear pads here are actually like super soft and comfy. They're almost like really plushy soft. Let me put them on just like, they're like ear pillows here. You know, you have microphones incorporated into this as well. Really nice. Oh man. I mean, I'm just looking over here on the left side and seeing how awesome this is. All right, let's check out what's in this compartment here. Velcroed here. And then I believe this is like the hook. Like it's essentially you take this and you can connect this end to a wall or a desk and then actually hang the headphones from here, the Pulse Elite wireless headset. Let me make the connection properly here. There you go. All right, and then what happens is a USB-C cable will thread through here to connect, so that allows you to charge it while it hangs, which is pretty slick, right? Whew, that is nice. Okay, so let's do this. Let's stack all these accessories next to each other and make them look really nice. And now you can see the entire family together, all black everything. This is Midnight Black. Now, we already know that the PS5 Slim cover, this has been available, but I believe it's on a deal right now for $54.99. If we go down the line, the DualSense Edge in Midnight Black, that's $199. We got the PlayStation Portal in Midnight Black, also $199. Then we have over here the Pulse Explorer wireless earbuds, that is also $199. We get here to the Pulse Elite wireless headset, that is $149. You can pre-order this entire package right now, and then they'll be available for you February the 20th. But there you go, a first look at all black everything, Midnight Black accessories for the PS5.